Fall and winter home prep. Protect your home and save on energy. With fall just around the corner, now is the time to get your home ready for the colder weather. Start by checking your roof to prevent leaks and cleaning your gutters to avoid water damage. Seal any drafts in your windows and doors to improve energy efficiency. Make sure your HVAC system is serviced for optimal performance and check smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms. Inspect your plumbing to avoid frozen pipes and clean your fireplace for safe use. Trimming trees and clearing the foundation area will protect against winter storms. Schedule a home maintenance inspection today to ensure your home is ready for the season ahead.